What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Alright, today I have a new dance tutorial for you. This is from Neo again. So the title of the song is Code Jealous. Alright, let's start. Alright, let's start. So for this one, we're gonna face to your left. Okay? It goes like this. So 7 and 1 and 2. Drag this one 3 and go 4. One more time. So 5, 6, 7 and 1 and 2 and 3. Lift 4. So you're gonna need to contract 4. Copy? Then make a circle 5 to the front 6 and 7. 8. Ball change on 1. Okay? Let's try. My hair like a banana tree. So 5, 6, 7, and go 1 and 2 and 3. Lift on 4, 5, front 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2. Alright? Let's try again. Faster. 5, 6, 7 and go 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. Sorry, this is 1 and 1. Continue from here and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. This is 7, the 8. Let's do it slowly that part. So from 1, 2, 3 and 4. Copy? One more time from here. 6, 7 and go 2, 3, 4 and copy? Go 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Copy? Let's try. Combine first and second. Here we go. 5, 6, 7 and go 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. Go 5, 6, go 7 and 8. Alright, next from here. So this is one count. 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. In on 5, 6. Go 7, 8. So this is out. That one is out also. Together and 8. Let's try again. So 5, 6, 7 and go 1. You gotta push your shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 5, 6, 7 and 8. You can include your head. And 8. Continue. Side 1. Push on 2 and 3. Stay on 4. Lift on 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1 and grab on 2. Okay, let's try again. So 7, bend and 8. Glide 1. Push down on 2 and 3, 4. Throw it 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2. Grab and 3, 4, 5, 6. Just hold change and stop there. Let's try from the beginning. So 5, 6, 7 and go 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, side 1, 2 and 3, 4, so 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1, grab, 4, 5, cross and 8. Got it? Alright, last thing. Here we go. So after 6, 7, 8, 7 and 8. This is 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Back 5, 6, just 7 and 8. Finish! Alright, so before we go, that's everything. We do it one more time. So 7, cross, and 8. Ball chain, for the beret, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Step back 5, 6, 7, 8. Happy? Alright, let's do everything from the beginning. You do it slowly and smooth, okay? So 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit 6. Here we go. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Step back. 5, 6. Chest. That's it. Good job. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you like that video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comments on my video. Okay? I'll see you next time. Bye bye.